everyone. In this video, we will learn how to create chart in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet, and here you can see I have a data, year column and amount column. So to create chart, simply select the entire data. To select entire data, just drag with the mouse and you can select here the entire data. Then go to the Insert tab and click on the Charts option. And that's it. Here you can see your chart is inserted with the chart editor right hand side with the two tabs setup and customize. So you can use this option to customize your chart and set up your chart. So that's it. So let's start. So first click on the setup tab and here you can see the first option, chart type. The selected chart is a column chart. If you want to change the chart type, just click on this drop down arrow and you can just drag with the mouse and see the all chart types is available. You just select it and you can change the chart type quickly. Okay, I just click on this arrow again. And here you can see the data range. Okay, range of data is automatically selected. If you want to change the data range, just click on this option, select data range. Okay, just click on it and you can select here the again your data range. Okay, just drag with the mouse and select it, and here the range is automatically selected. Then click on OK, and that's it. Here the range is updated. You can just click on this chart and you can easily move anywhere else. Okay, I just set here. You can easily minimize the size, drag with the mouse this corner point and minimize the size. Next. So x-axis, the years. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, the series. Okay. So in x-axis, the year showing, just click on these three dots and you can easily remove, add labels. There are some options available. Okay. If you want to aggregate this x-axis here, just click on the aggregate option. See the changes here. It's converted in aggregate. Just untick this option. And the next series. Okay, series is the amounts. Here the amount, the y-axis. Okay. In series, you can see it says there are some option is selected and one is deselected. Okay. So if you don't want, you can deselect it. Suppose use column A as a label. Column A is year. So use column A as a label. So I just deselect it. See the changes here. Okay. So here the label is not showing. Your label is not showing. So I again select it and see the changes here. Okay. So this is the way you can use the option. And in customize tab, see in customize there are so many options. In chart style, you can change the chart style. Okay. In charts and access title, you can change the title and other different settings also available. In series, you can change the series, and legends, you can change the different legend style. And horizontal axis, this is the horizontal. Here is a horizontal axis and vertical is a amount is a vertical axis. You can change in on it. Gridlands, ticks, so you can change gridlands and ticks also. So I just click on the one option. Okay, in horizontal. Horizontal is a year. Okay, year. So just click on this arrow and see here the option to changes on horizontal. You can change the font. I just click on this arrow and see the changes on here. Okay, I just select this font. See the year is font change, year font change. Okay, and if you want to change the font, just click on the arrow and select the font size. See the label format, text color, so you can change. You can select here the different colors. See the red color is showing the all year. I click on again this arrow. Now I'm going to change in vertical axis. Okay, same as option available. Font, I select here the different font. See the changes. I select the same font. Okay, and the label size. Okay, font size. See, if you want to format change, italic, bold, you can it. Text, I just select here the different blue color. I select this one. Okay, this also showing nice. Again, click on this arrow. And here I'm going to change chart style. Just click on this arrow and background color. Just click on this. I select here the background color yellow. See changes. Now I select this one. Okay, this one is nice. Then you can change the font. So I select here this one. Okay, all the see the chart titles fonts also change. Chart border colors. Okay, border color also you can change here. There are so many options available in chart style. Okay, I just click on this arrow again and I click on the legends. Okay, in legend you can see the position auto. Just click on this drop down arrow and right, see the changes. Top, see the changes. Okay, inside, see the changes. So this is the way you can change the position of the chart also. Then legend fonts you also changed. See the legends fonts also change. Legend size, so at 20, see the and you can change the text color also. Click on this arrow again. Okay, and now I just clicked on series. Series is the amount. Okay, series. So you can change the field color. I just click on this arrow, select the different color. See, the field color is different. Okay, series as per the series means amount column. Okay, field capacity 100%. You can change the field capacity also 70%. See the changes on the chart. Okay, line color. You can change the line color also. See the line color also showing on column. Okay, then line dash type, you can select the dash type also. See, and I select this one, see the changes on here. That's it. I just click on this arrow again, and now I'm going to click the grid lines. Okay, the vertical axis, just click on this arrow, click on the horizontal axis. Okay, and you can see the changes here. Major ticks, I just click on this. See, in horizontal the major tick is showing. Okay, if you can change here the tick's position also. See the tick position in horizontal, the one line is showing here outside. See, you can select the insides. See, on inside also showing on chart. So these are the different types of option available. You can customize your chart the different way. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.